Okay, now this is important because you're going to hear it definitely in your calculus classes, you're going to hear it in physics, okay? And that is the rate of change. Rate of change is the same thing as slope. What is the rate at which this graph changes? Okay? A rate of change compares two different quantities that are changing. All right? For example, the rate at which a distance is changing with time is called velocity. Okay? Changes in distance over an amount of time. Slope provides an important way of visualizing a rate of change. Okay, let's look at this one. You were parachuting. Hey. Oh, it's parachuting. You were parachuting. There you go. At time 0. I hate parachuting. At time 0, t equals 0 seconds. You open your parachute, and hopefully it opens. You open your parachute at a height of 2,500 feet. This point. Time is 0. See, this is t down here. Height is 2,500. So the coordinates of the point are 0, 2,500. The time is 0. The height is 2,500. Now, how do they change in relation to each other? At time 35, or t equals 35 seconds, you're at a height of 2,115 feet. T equals 35, height equals 2,115. Okay. What is your rate, or what is your rate of change in height? Simple. Rate of change is slope. Take the coordinates from one point and use the coordinates for the other to find out what the slope equals. Lily, find out the slope between these 2 points for me.
Okay.
Tell me what goes in each of the parentheses.
First you have 2,500.
Okay, 2,500.
Minus 2,100.
Beautiful. Over
0.
0, and then 35. Okay? Do you agree? Look at this line that we've got, Lily. What kind of slope is it?
It is
Negative, positive?
negative.
It's a negative slope because we're going down, aren't we? Okay. Well, here, let's simplify that. That's going to be 385 feet over negative 35 seconds. Okay, can we simplify that? Can someone simplify? What goes into both of those?
5.
5 goes into both of them. Let's see. It's going to be negative 77 over 5 goes into that 7 times. Man,
11 over 1.
it's negative 11 over 1 is the slope.
Negative 11.
Okay? I'm going to leave it in there because I'm talking about slope. Go down 11 feet per every second. I'm going down at 11 feet per second.
That's scary.
Okay, now, let's go back up here because B says, about when will you reach the ground? This problem is like the one we just did. Okay? I know that I've got a slope of negative 11 over 1. So my slope is negative 11 over 1. But I have a new point now that has a height of 0. But I don't know what the time is. Okay. Can I use one of the other points to tell me what the t should equal? Yeah. Let's just use, you can pick whichever one, it doesn't matter. Let's do 0, 2,500. 0, 2,500. Here are my 2 points. Can you find out what t is going to be? Okay. Well, remember, I'm going to do my y's, or the thing that's in the y position on top. So let's do 2,500 minus 0 over 0 minus t. Okay, okay. All right, let's relax. Don't get nervous. Negative 11 over 1 is equal to 2,500 over negative t. What is this thing called? Okay, what's it called before we do that? We can do it because this is a proportion. It's 2 equal fractions. What can I do? Cross multiply. Negative t times negative 11 is positive 11t is equal to 20